Greetings from Trinity College and Seminary. It's our pleasure to serve the nation by joining with many of the projects launched by Indian government. And we have joined the mainstream India by launching a project like Adopt a Tree project in order to plant more trees in our surrounding. And also the students, faculty and staff has been joining with Swachh Bharat by cleaning the street, our surrounding. And this time, our students, especially the final year Bachelor of Theology class, joined with the mainstream again to save rivers. I would like to invite all the people of Churachandpur to join with this movement to create an awareness to people who are living in our surrounding. And in fact, we would like to invite all the people of Churachandpur to join this movement toward making Churachandpur a better place to live in. Thank you.
I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me I will never measure up.
A very good afternoon to all. We all know the Government of India had implemented Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin in the various areas of the country. Churachandpur also implemented Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin and we declared Churachandpur to be ODF in the year 2018. The importance is to maintain the sustainability of the movement which we started, and further the Government of India is also implementing Jal Jeevan Mission, where it want to secure the water for all. In the same light, we request all the people to come forward to preserve water, to conserve water and to keep our rivers clean. We came to know that the Trinity College had started a program through some media reports called Swachh Nadiya Swachh Zindagi, which means save rivers, save life. Final year students, according to some media reports, have started this program, and with the various stakeholders they are trying to save our rivers, especially the Khuga river, and they have started some Swachh Bharat programs cleaning the river with the help of Assam Rifles and other stakeholders. We want people to join this movement so that they can keep our river clean and also help the district administration in keeping the river clean so that we can provide fresh water to all people. Further, my request is to plant trees as much as possible so that the water is preserved, and especially in the catchment area, if the trees are planted, it will help in preserving the water. And we all know, especially in Churachandpur, we have the water scarcity, and especially in Singhat area. It's a water scarce area and we face problems, especially in dry seasons of February and March. The problem is acute. We all try to save the rivers, make them clean, and also try to park their garbages to the collecting vehicle which comes, rather than throwing here and there. Try to park the garbage in the dustbins rather than throwing into rivers, so that we can make our rivers clean. Further, to minimize the use of plastics so that we can have our rivers clean, and as well as we can have safe water to drink. This will help our future generations also to have clean drinking water and be a part of sustainable development. Thank you all, and I'll also ask the people of Trinity College to keep the good work which they are doing to be continued. Thank you.
Today we have a team of about 20 young men and women from Trinity College and Seminary who have taken up an initiative, Swachh Zindagi. And like many of us are aware, we have a good number of rivers in our district. However, the problem of pollution has made the situation really worse, to the extent that we are not just losing out on the rivers, their usability, but also their identity. Today it is a day when we should come together, join hands, and work towards preservation of these rivers by cleaning up the water bodies which are there around us. I'm Amrita Sinha, Superintendent of Police, Churachandpur District, and I would like to join hands with this team today, and I would also appeal to the people of Churachandpur to come together and work in this direction. A clean environment, a healthy environment is in the benefit of all of us. The kind of situation which we are living in, the water scarcity which our district is facing, in various parts, the town area probably is relatively more blessed, but on the remote pockets, if we see the kind of water shortage which are being faced, recently there was a village which came in news and which is having such acute shortage of water. If we do not want our next generations to really face that and live that, let us rise up to the occasion today. Let us join hands and work in this direction of cleaning the rivers, taking a pledge to not pollute the rivers, not to throw garbage in the rivers without being properly processed. It should not be thrown in the water bodies at all. There is a proper way of disposal of garbage, and we all should correct our habits, treat water bodies with due respect, with their due, with the kind of care that they deserve, so that they can take care of us and our further generations, the next generations to come. So with this, I would like to request everyone to come together and help in preserving our water bodies, so that we can hand over a better environment, a better district, a better natural resource to the generations to come. Thank you.
Nina, Trinity College and Seminary in Swats Nadia, Swats Zindagi, Ji Pansanina, Shantona, be clean and be safe. Ji Motonina, a video clip Aborua, Pata Waisama Maya, Lamkale Severa, me Atentena, Bangzina, Ituite, Aikele River Deha. Siang Toina, Dampite Siang Toina, in Qua Siang Tote, Yam, Save to big in him, Jiha, home of Penaya, Hotibang, Otapia, Waisa, Nipina support pet Mangai, Tasa, as a Siang Tona, low in Ha, Dantena on KG, Siam Saya, Tuzanpu district pen, open defecation free up one here. Why Mindel, Tuite, I kill a Chancon River Hina. I carry to Ita River Itahan Naile, White Hat, Egg Kitain, Long Home with my Isaac, a Santo, Tunitiana White, Omlonon Kea, open defecation, non Kea, Why Jana Kipa White, step cut forward, Himale, Luite, Tuita River here, I kele, Chenkon River on Paitating Tinga, Nin Kipai Homingin, and Captain Sapul Kipai Homingin, Ituite, Zatano, no Quang, something on a day. No, na rin kakisang tinono ay dyan sa waya tuiti pa home ting chemical ang usakin at test ng ano ka algopin waya dyan nga zat ham dahil o zat tak dahil ano ui go pa ya waya dyan na tunong tumsom dyan bekin chu ituiti ang siyang tadi nga i waya si paidan ka menar ka ikin ng chu ay ituiti ka ang siyang to tadi nga river dyan siyang to tadi nga idamdian dyan ang siyang to tadi nga waya dyan na ka MPN damthing na hoy ta inate ding hoy kha standard mi bang chi civilized lo yan chi akian na akite na chu lamlian te siang tho ya ai kele a tui te siang tho ya river te siang tho ya chi akinga ai ya wa jana koi gam dang mi yang pai kele le ele ai kite na kha wa te siang tho chang kha e ai ateng te civilian te kha eton ta he chi bian mu na ele kite na wa dine jakin idam the na dina lamdian siang tho ui siang tho lui te siang tho na koi le ham wai idam the na bu biang ge nai ji tun ka ge no mai
Swats Nadia, Swats Zindagi.
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 Swats Zindagi.